Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to this quick guide on how to get a free gift on Temu. If you're here to snag some awesome free stuff, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing you'll need to do is click the link provided in the description down below. That link will take you directly to the page where you can claim your free gift. Or if you prefer, you can scan the QR code that's right here on the screen. It works just the same. Once you're on the page, you'll see a selection of free gifts to choose from. Now, just as a heads up, the gifts can vary depending on what's available. So, what I see might be a little different from what you see. For example, when I tried this, I got these really cool trimming scissors that normally sell for around $16, but because it's a free gift, I didn't have to pay anything. Pretty great, right? Now, here's the key. After you select your free gift, you'll need to download the Temu app if you haven't already. Don't worry, it's quick and totally free to do. Once the app is downloaded, your free gift will show up in your account, usually in the checkout area. From there, you just follow the instructions to claim it, and boom, you're good to go. Oh, and one thing I want to mention, Temu has a ton of amazing deals going on all the time. So while you're there, it's worth browsing around. You'll find discounts on pretty much everything, from gadgets to home goods, and the prices are honestly kind of crazy, in a good way. So, yeah, that's it. Super straightforward. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code, pick your gift, download the app, and enjoy. But I'd say don't wait too long. These offers can change, and you don't want to miss out. All right, that's all for this one. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what free gift you ended up getting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.